Welcome back to our channel. Imagine a home where your floors stay clean without you lifting a finger. The Dreame L40 Ultra robot vacuum makes that a reality. Packed with cutting-edge AI navigation, powerful suction, and smart mopping features, the L40 Ultra delivers a deep and intelligent clean every time. Whether you're dealing with daily dust, stubborn stains, or pet hair, this robot vacuum is engineered to take care of it all quietly, efficiently, and effortlessly. Side reach tackles nooks and accesses corners. The side brush lifts and extends to remove dirt from wall corners and around furniture legs, ensuring efficient cleaning. The L40 Ultra protects carpets from wet or dry mess contamination while transitioning between carpets and hard floors. A removable and liftable mop for carpet care, L40 Ultra safeguards your carpets by either removing mops or automatically lifting them up to 10.5 mm. The Dreame Home app allows you to set zones to bypass rugs, reducing the risk of vacuum entanglement. High-powered 11,000 Pascal suction performance. Powerfully clean multiple surfaces with 11,000 Pascal suction and choose between 5 suction levels that suit your home environment. Utilizing Omni Dirt detection and Mop Extend Robo Swing technologies, the L40 Ultra detects stubborn messes and effectively removes them in tight spaces like under furniture and in corners. Smart adaptation to your home. The L40 Ultra navigates effortlessly, offering continuous cleaning with 3D structured light, a built-in camera, and LED lights. Use the Dreame Home app to select modes, set pet zones, and adjust mopping levels. Control cleaning easily with voice commands. Pet-friendly paradise. With the L40 Ultra, setting up cozy zones is a breeze. Keep the fluff and mess at bay by defining pet zones to tackle litter or create open spaces for your furry friends to roam and play. Clean the mop and washboard simultaneously with 149 degrees Fahrenheit hot water, reducing stains and unpleasant smells. 5,200 mAh battery. Enjoy up to 194 minutes of low-noise sweeping and mopping, now with 30% faster charging. The L40 Ultra covers up to 181 square meters, 1,948 square feet on a single charge, efficiently cleaning large spaces with minimal interruptions. With the Dreame L40 Ultra, you're not just investing in a robot vacuum, you're upgrading to an all-in-one cleaning assistant. From advanced obstacle avoidance to its hands-free dust disposal system, this machine is built for modern living. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.